Why NAVAM full moon POYA is important? It's a sacred observance. NAVAM POYA is a sacred observance for the people of Sri Lanka and Buddhists at large. It is linked to Buddha himself and is the second most important Buddhist festival. It celebrates community. One of the most important reasons this day is celebrated is to appreciate the formation of an ideal and exemplary community. This not only gives a picture of how a community should be, but also highlights the importance of one in the first place. It represents a new beginning. A full moon often represents an opportunity for new chances and beginnings. It is especially important to Buddhists, as it presents an opportunity for a fresh start or merit-making, and also a chance to continue on the path to enlightenment. If you need more history of Buddha, then please subscribe our channel.